Hey everyone, it's Michael here with Johnny Appleseed Organic, and today we are going to make vegan sweet potato latkes. To make these vegan sweet potato latkes, you're going to need 2 cups of packed, grated, and drained potato, 1/3 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sliced green onion, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened non-dairy milk. I used oat milk. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 1/4 teaspoon salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, black pepper, and whichever oil you would like to use for frying. First, clean your sweet potato, then cut off the ends or any dirty spots or bad spots. And I like to cut my sweet potato in half so that it's easier for me to handle when I'm grating. Then you will grate your sweet potato until you have 2 cups worth. After you have 2 cups of grated sweet potato, put that in a cup or even in a cloth if you have a cheesecloth or something, and try to push out as much juice as possible. Push until no liquid runs. Grate your ginger and turmeric. Place all of your other ingredients into a bowl along with your 2 cups of drained and grated sweet potato. And 3 tablespoons of sliced green onion, 1/3 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened non-dairy milk. Mix it up until everything is mixed really well, and then you're ready for frying. Heat up a generous amount of oil for frying. I used coconut oil. Scoop a 1/4 cup at a time of your potato mixture and flatten the patties in your hand. Get them as flat as you can, but not so that they break apart. And let your patties sit on each side for 1 to 2 minutes. These look done and they smell delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and check out our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.